I will talk about how can you create a plan on your Wix app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, you just go down, you click here on manage down here, just click on it. So when you click on manage, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Click here on present plans, you just click on it here. So when you just click on it here, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Click here on create a plan. You come to next here, then you add here your plan name or description. In description here, you fold here all these main features and payment options here. So then automatically when you follow it, click on save, then it's going to add with you. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.